This is Isabella watching The Empire Strikes Back for the first time.
Can you just... Bella, just watch it. Bella, watch it seriously.
We can end this destructive conflict and bring order to the galaxy. I'll never join you if you only knew the power of the dark side.
Bella.
Obi-Wan never told you what happened to your father. He told me enough. He told me you killed him. No. I am your father. Not true. That's impossible.
Did you see that before, Bella?